Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I do my nighttime routine. First I put my hair in a scrunchie and get it all out of my face. Then we're going to grab our e.l.f. melting balm, and I love this stuff. As you can see, I grabbed a good chunk and then melt it in my hand, and I grab a little bit more because I like to have like a lot in my hand. So then I just rub it in. Then I just, make sure I get everything, and then I rinse my hands off. And then I grab a paper towel, run it under the warm water, and I rather use that instead of using a makeup wipe. I wipe it off. And after I wipe it off, make sure I get everything, my eyes, the crevices of the sides of my nose, and look at all that makeup. Now we're gonna go head into the shower. After I get out the shower, I use my toner, The Ordinary. I usually use the Good Molecules, but I didn't have any more, so I had to just settle for the Ordinary toner. Then I grab my Laneige water sleeping mask, and we just apply a little bit on our face, rub it all in. One thing to always remember is your neck, because it needs moisturization just like your face. And all right guys, good night.